What if the internet you use every day was never designed to let you own anything on it? Every post, every game item, every dollar you spend online passes through someone else's system first. That's the gap Web3 claims to close, a version of the internet built on blockchains, where ownership and money move without a central gatekeeper. It's ambitious, controversial, and still very much unproven at scale. Instead of a bank or platform holding the ledger, thousands of computers hold it together. Assets, currencies, even digital identities can live directly on this shared record. Supporters see a more open, user-owned internet. Critics see complexity, volatility, and unresolved trust problems. The surprising part isn't the technology, it's who's actually adopting it. Increasingly, it's not just crypto traders, but institutions quietly testing these rails for settlement and infrastructure. Whether Web3 becomes the internet's new financial backbone or a niche experiment is still an open question, one regulators, builders, and users are actively shaping right now. The old internet was built to move information. The next one is being built to move value. Whether that succeeds is still being written.